Since the average conversion rate is only around 3%, devising an effective e-commerce sales funnel that is applicable to your customer's buying journey will only help in increasing your conversion rates. In this video, we'll discuss how to measure your e-commerce sales funnel success and how to increase your conversion rate. To find out how to create a sales funnel in 5 simple steps, be sure to check out our other video linked above on your screen now and in the description below. Once you have set up your sales funnel and get it going, you need to measure how well it's working for your site. Identify gaps and optimize those areas that need improvement. Here are some of the metrics you can use to analyze the effectiveness of your funnel strategy. Number 1. Traffic acquisition. Hopefully, you're already analyzing your e-commerce site traffic. It's especially important if you want to see where you might have gone wrong with your sales funnel. If you analyze the site traffic for each of your funnel stages, awareness, interest, decision, action, and repeat business, you will quickly notice if there's a sharp drop in your traffic. For instance, if a large number of shoppers visit your site at the awareness stage, but only a small number make a purchase in the action stage, you may have to redesign your marketing strategies to better suit your target audience. Start by coming up with a baseline conversion rate for your e-commerce sales funnel. We covered this at the beginning, but you'll want to find out what your current rate is. Give yourself a goal to work towards, and then regularly check back on all your funnel stages to make sure you're making progress. Number 2. Actual conversion rate. Fortunately, you can easily calculate your actual conversion rate by using the following formula. Total number of transactions divided by total visits times 100. Remember that the average conversion rate for most e-commerce sites is somewhere between 2 and 3%. So if you are getting a 0.5% conversion rate, you might have to rethink your sales funnel to see what prevents your site's visitors from moving to the next step in the customer journey. You can check out some pro tips in one of our other videos which can help you improve your conversion rate and meet your sales objectives. Number 3. Cart abandonment rate. Sometimes your potential customers add a product to their cart but leave the site before making a purchase. They basically remain at the purchase stage, which is why it's super important to understand what keeps them from completing the transaction. That might be a glitch in the checkout process or hidden fees that deter your potential buyers. Understanding your cart abandonment rate will help you optimize your sales funnel in a big way. If more than 69% of your visitors abandon their purchase, your website content is not delivering as it should. You can try several tactics to reduce your cart abandonment rate as much as possible. Be sure to check out our videos that we have on these 20 tips. Some ways which you can drop these abandonment rates include guest checkouts, progress indicators, user-friendly navigation, mobile friendliness, product and social media reviews. Any of these will most likely make it easier for your shoppers to become customers. If you manage to convince the customers with abandoned carts to complete their transactions, you will increase your cart recovery rate. The higher the rate, the more effective your content is at driving customers back to the site. You have established their trust by delivering content that is interesting and informative. Number 4. Redemption rate. The last metric is the rate at which coupons for your site have been redeemed by your buyers. If 40 coupons from the 200 emailed coupons have been redeemed, you have a redemption rate of 20%. The average redemption rate for a rewards program is approximately 13%. High rates indicate that you have a healthy loyalty program, which means you are more successful in customer retention. Now that you know how to analyze your funnel's performance, you need a foolproof way to increase your conversion rate and improve your analytics. You cannot rely on intuition to know how your audience will react to your site's content. One of the best methods to predict user behavior is A/B testing, often also called split testing. An A/B test studies 2 groups of people who view a slightly different version of the same content of the same period of time. The single element that changes between the 2 groups is called a variable. The variable for your A/B test can be the page layout, color, button, or pop-up triggers, among others. Studying the performance of the 2 versions can give you important information about what makes your buyers tick and click, and which features are most effective in converting them into leads. To do an A/B test, you need to make the variable you have chosen independent of all other features of the site. This means that, although you can test multiple features, only one element can change between the two groups at a time. The smallest of changes, like an image, wording, and email sender name, can be tested for different user behaviors. In case you decide that you need to test multiple variables at one time, you can go for a multivariate instead of an A/B test. Creating a sales funnel might seem like a complicated process, but you should be treating your sales funnel as a priority. It should be at the top of your to-do list if you want to improve your user experience, generate sales, and increase conversions. An effective funnel gives you the right data on how your users navigate your site. You can use marketing strategies that target the specific gaps in your funnel for the best results. If you'd like any help creating and implementing these types of powerful strategies, feel free to contact us to speak with one of our e-commerce experts. We hope you found this information insightful. Thanks for checking in with us today. Please leave your comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.